All right, here's another project. A video or two ago, I don't know where or when this is going to actually get posted. Joey and Ryan did a 78 Fairmont hood. Well, this is the original hood off of the car. The one they painted got put on this car. The only thing wrong with this hood is the clear is starting to delaminate. So we're going to strip this one and repaint this one. So I'll try and do a better job of following along. And this one had a hood scoop in it. We were going to paint the black in that other hood, but the owner likes it all red. So I don't know if we're going to put the black back on this one or not, but I'll try and do a better job of following along with this one. All of the Jeremiah's done a good job here. All of that peeling clear feathered out, and we got just the smallest dent right there. We're gonna wipe it down. We'll find out if we got any more. But keep up the good work here. They had just a little dent that Jeremiah put a little bit of body filler in. And we filled, there were some chips where the hood scoop wore through it. And we just put a little bit of body filler in them. That way, if we'd have feathered all this paint out, it would have left a ring in there. It was just a better way to do it. All right, Jeremiah got that thing primed, and I didn't have a chance for him to do it. Now he's spraying the guide coat on there. Hold the can as upright as you can while you're spraying. There you go. And all this is going to do is let him see any of the imperfections. And if you remember, this thing had that stripe around it, and you'll be able to see where it was. So hopefully this will show all that when we block the primer. Jeremiah and Jasmine, they have sanded the heck out of the bottom of this Fairmont hood. This is the one that we're going to be painting red and black, but it was going to look so nice on the top, we figured we might as well go ahead and cut in the bottom again. Yeah, we got Michaela, she's finished sanding this Fairmont hood. This is the one that's going to go red and black. Hopefully we'll get it painted the next day or so. All right, we're finally back to this Fairmont. We have put the other hood. You guys saw Ryan and Joey paint this one, and then we put it on this car. You saw a clip of this hood. It's supposed to be black in the center. That's what they've got it taped up. Jeremiah and Jasmine right there. What this is you can see there's the stripes. So when they're done taping this up, they're going to pull this one out, and that will expose the black. So we're going to ready to put tape on this line and cover this part of the car up, and then we'll be sanding that. Now Jazz and Jeremiah getting her white down. Hopefully we'll be able to get this thing painted tomorrow. Oh yeah. Getting her tacked off. Jeremiah. Goes Jeremiah with the second coat. He'll be putting this one on a bit heavier. A good 80 to 90% overlap on this as well. It's just like clear. Jasmine. Okay. Looks really nice. Now I'm gonna get this thing untaped and we'll take a look at it. We gotta paint the spoiler for it, or the spoiler, the hood scoop, but we'll get there.
I won't have to like...
We're in here untaping. I got Aunt Jemima with me today, getting her untaped. Look at that. Did you ever get them laser nose rings like we talked about last year?
No, not yet. I haven't found any.
Oh, yes. Look at that. Notice how she's pulling it almost at a 180-degree angle? Because this was just painted, I don't know, 2 hours ago. Oh yeah. Interview. Here it is, all done, the 78 Fairmont. Look, there's Jeremiah, there's Jasmine. These people did nothing, just like they're doing right now, standing around looking. Got it all done, got the hood scoop back on. There is a little piece that we have, we just gotta glue it back on. They did a good job. Let's give us a thumbs up, guys. All right.